Dena, Toro, and Tommy was playing outside. While Toro was about to take flight, Dena watched how he flapped his wings to fly. She could not figure out how he can fly, so she asked Toro, "How do you fly?"
Toro, how do you do that? How do you fly? All I see you do is move your wings and you're off. Up, up, up and away like a giant bird.
Ha 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 ha. Dena, it took me some time to understand flying. First I was scared of flying, then my mommy showed me how to do it.
Do I need wing arms like you to fly? Or feathers like a bird?
I never seen an animal fly without wings, only saw animals fall. But I can teach you what my mom taught me.
Thanks, Toro. I always wonder how you could fly too.
It's all in the flapping of the wings. Have you ever noticed that when the wind start blowing really strong, it start lifting things into the air?
Yeah, one time the wind was like, and it knocked me over, and leaves were flying everywhere.
Yeah, that's the same thing my wings do. It creates lift, and the wind picks me up. My wings create wind to lift my body, and the more I flap, the higher I go. That's called lift. Lift off.
Whoa, cool. You're a wind maker. Nice. But when you're high in the air, you don't move your wings that much. You just stretch them out and float up there.
I call that catching wind or gliding. When I'm high enough or the wind is blowing strong, I just stretch out my wings and boom, I'm floating in the air.
Nice. Flying, gliding. That's the life to live. Thanks, Toro. Always wonder how you could fly.